Let me see them from this side. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. I'm gonna come here next time again.
Echoes hum inside this room. There's a story written in the air.
Yeah, welcome to see the rock now. Now you can take a good picture of the rock. The rock is right there. I don't know how it is called. Maybe if I could have called one of them to tell us the name of that rock. So guys, Dorothy is finding this rock very interesting to see, and she is gonna take a couple pictures of the rock. Have you taken the pictures?
It's just a pity that the sun is standing wrongly.
I'll help you take a good picture. I'll put this in the pocket. And that rock there, beautiful, well arranged.
My God.
Yeah, perfect. I think this side. Yeah, I think your phone should be able to take the right picture. Let me try with my other phone if I can get it. You see the plantation, these people have a lot of food. Plantations, like they literally don't buy most of the things from the market. Yeah. We are in Korea with Dorothy.
Yes.
You're good?
Yeah.
Now we go, eh?
Yes.
Okay. Take more pictures of this place. Let me try and see if I can take a picture of it from... you see, the people here are very nice. Yeah.
It's not always like that, or?
Yeah, they're nice. They're nice people. Very nice. But we are on a rainy season. That's why there's water.
Yeah.
You want to look for another angle?
Yeah, I don't think it will get any better because the sun should come from that direction.
Yeah.
To make it beautiful.
Or you want to go near? You can go near. We can.
It will not change the problem.
Yeah.
If in the morning,
Yeah.
it would come in the morning, it would be fantastic.
Maybe you can organize one of these days before you go. We climb.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can just go. The little goat. Looks like the mom a little bit. Yeah,
Thank
that's
you.
good. You love nature?
Yes, very much. Flowers,
Cats, goats.
animals.
Yeah. You are kind to animals. Now that cat is your best friend.
Yeah, but I started to be
Mambo.
best friend with our doggy too now.
Mambo,
Mambo.
unaitwa nani? David. Asante. Aye.
I whispered your name in the quiet
What
night.
are they doing?
They are just having maybe some family meeting.
Though you're out of sight,
They're
your
cute
shadow
little girls, huh?
lingers
Yeah, the
in the
goatlets.
softness
Asante.
of
Yeah. Muko na mambo mzuri. Mnapiganga picha huko kweli? Mmezoea?
And the heavens crack open, pouring light so
So
divine. I feel your arms
they're saying they are used to it.
They're used to it.
around no
Yeah.
sign.
Yeah, it's a
The
beautiful
choir
place.
sings of
Yeah.
love, a raging endless fire, a boundless touch from above, lifting me higher.
Huh?
The rain kissed my face as I stood by your place. The memory of you I can't erase. Each teardrop plants a seed of what could be. A forest of hope stretched endlessly, and the heavens crack open, pouring light so dim.
Oh, you want to take a picture with them?
Feel your arms around me.